after my surgery. This is what it looks like. And this is the side. And this is the side. After weight loss, this is what it looks like. So I will see you when it's done. When I get it this time. Okay, this is after the surgery. This is after the surgery. So I got cut from here because they had to repair the muscle. You know, that was like medically needed. So they had to cut me from here to here. And I have to cut from here. From here, I had a drawing right here. So I cut from here all the way across. All the way across. And then I cut to right here. So this is the cut. Closer. So this is the cut right here. So it's like tummy tuck, but it's not tummy tuck. You can call it tummy tuck because my stomach was, you know, huge. So this was right here. This is the cut from here. So I cut from side all the way to side. It's like a V, like a T. Cut away from up here because my stomach was loose. The muscle was open. So the muscle right here was open. So they had to like go inside of my stomach and cut it. And stitch the muscle. And I stitch this. And cut this right here. And cut the excess skin off. But the fat was not removed. This is like 2 months after surgery. So the fat was not removed. Because it was not like cosmetic. It was medically needed. So that's how come the fat was not removed. So it was tummy tuck. So for me to do that, remove the fat, that would be cosmetic. So this is what it looked like after. From what it used to be. All this right here. The fat is all gone. So I'll see you guys soon when I, you know, all done and not swollen anymore. So yeah, this is it. Yep, this is it. Done. And I guess that's what I get when I do my remove the fat. Then it will be real tummy tuck now. Okay guys.